When adjusting for stock diameter, you may want to clamp directly onto the model to set a perfectly similar simulation in NC Simul. This can be adjusted from inside the main spindle setup. Currently, there are two axis systems, one for the chuck face attachment and one for the program offset G54 at the end of the stock. Also notice how each jaw is its own layer or model, so that they can be manipulated independently. As it currently sits, fixture position 4 is in direct alignment with an axis on the setup and G54. Therefore, it can already be moved easily to retract or clamp with the right-click and position function. However, what if we wanted to do the same with one of the other jaws? We can set up a mating axis system. At the very bottom of the tree, right-click and choose to Create Axis System. Give it a name and verify that you are referencing the proper current coordinate system. In this case, either Setup or G54 will work since they have the same orientation. Using the angle orientation, move the axis system 30 degrees around Z to match the angle of jaw 3. With this created, when we open the Position tab, we can more effectively move along the plane. Change the reference to the newly created jaw 3 align and move the Y value to view the motion. Furthermore, if you want to precisely clamp the jaw onto the stock model without measuring a distance, head over to the Contact tab. Choose the contact stopping point as support, hear the stock, and reselect the jaw 3 align as the reference. Now, once the two models collide, the jaw will halt and you'll receive a red stop indicator. Repeat this for jaw 2 or as needed to finalize the one-to-one setup in NC Simul. Simulating with jaws in the exact position can help catch potential collisions if tools get close to the chuck during machining or if they are in a particular orientation during live tooling, giving you additional confidence when heading out to set up your part for production.